Those black helicopters. They've been out there since 1997. Let's do this in the ferns. Hey everybody, it's the Walker. So what are we doing today? Well, today I'm celebrating a milestone for the channel. 20,000 subs. We're doing it in the ferns. Kind of like that show Between Two Ferns, but mine's gonna be better because I'm giving away stuff and we've got a lot more than two ferns. I'm really I'm really surprised, and it's I don't even know what to say. Other than, well, without all you watching it, and without my subscribers, it wouldn't have been possible. So I'm really it's a privilege, and I like to say thank you. Of course, I'm giving away stuff. So let's just go on to show you what I'm giving away for the well, I guess it's a giveaway because I'm not giving away nothing. It wouldn't be a giveaway. Before we do that, let me explain the rules. These are very simple and easy to understand rules, although occasionally people can't work it out. The giveaway is for the US and Canada only because they can't afford the shipping all over the world. So US and Canada, you have to be a subscriber. You have to simply say, I'm in, and that's it. And what I'll do is I'll assign everybody a number, and I'll run it through a random generator. And if you're the lucky person, you win. I'll send you a tracking number, and after that, it's out of my hands. So, all right, let's take a look at what I got for the giveaway. Brand new Victorinox Swiss Army sheath. A little Victorinox water bottle or a flask. Ferro rod. Swiss Army knife. I chose this one because it has got two things I like. It's got the main blade. It's also got the saw, which makes an excellent ferro rod striker. And interestingly enough, scissors, which comes in kind of handy at times. That's the giveaway. Thanks again for all your support. Make sure if you're a sub, enter the giveaway. If you're not a sub, subscribe, enter the giveaway. Get yourself a shot at a nice little Swiss Army knife. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day.